Hey guys, let's talk about the Dell Latitude 7490 battery replacement. So here I have it running with Windows already, and I'm going to shut it down and replace the battery, all right? So I just click here, shut it down, and I need to open it up and just replace the battery, which one that works for this Dell Latitude, right? So I will just disconnect the cables here, close the lid, turn it over. And here I need to remove the screws to open the case, right? So I have two screws here in the center. You just need to loosen them up. You don't need to completely remove them, right? Because they don't fall off from here. They stay here on the cover. That's good. So 3 here on the left side, 2 in the center. Just don't forget to loosen them up as well, otherwise the cover is not going to be released, right? So one by one I just do this, loosen them up, and then I can just remove the cover. Super simple. You see it's not coming up, so I just need to make sure that I release every single one here. There we go. Remove the cover, and here is the battery, okay? To replace it, just need to pull this pin out. So you're going to remove from here. Just approach here so you see better. You see here that I have a way to pull it out. I just grab here and pull it out that way, you see? And then I need to remove the screws from here and here, and pull the battery out. So let me just do this. The first one just right here. There we go. Put it here. Those screws go out, so just need to remove them. And now here you can just carefully remove the battery, right? There we go. That way, you see here. There's a little bit of dust here, so you just need to clean this up and replace with a new battery, right? As long as you have a new battery, you can come here and put it back. So here's the model. Let me just show you. That's the one. 60 watts hour, right? And the type is F3YGT, 7.6 volts, right? And just bring the battery, you put here that way. Just put it here into place correctly. Just make sure that you're doing this correctly, right? There we go. Then you can put the screws back. Connect the cable back. Again here, super simple. Just push here until you hear a click, and you're good to go, okay? Make sure that's really well connected here. Okay, I have a third screw here that's not available, all right, because it's an old laptop. It came like this without a screw. I can buy a new screw and put it here if I want to as well, but right now I don't have it, okay? So I can just come here and close it again. Just put the cover into place, just like so. Just be careful when you're closing it. If you see here that's aligned and it's well closed, here and here on the back, and then you tighten the screws up and you're good to go, okay? I'm gonna tighten them later. I'm just gonna show you here that's working. Let me just open the lid here, press the button, and see if it's working. You see that I have the backlight here on the keyboard already, so it shows that's working, and it's coming up with the Dell logo. I have no cable connected here, so the battery is working pretty fine, right? So super simple. And then Windows is going to boot up, and I see that's working. Then I can come back and tighten up the screws back there. So basically working here we are good to go, okay? So that's the way you can replace the battery on a Dell Latitude 7490. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.